Alright, hey 6th grade, so today we're going to talk about multiplying and dividing integers with models, so kind of pictures helping us represent the situation. First thing we're going to start with is a word problem. It says, Mrs. Daphne orders her puppy treats from an online store. Listed below are her options to purchase. Rewrite each option as a math expression using multiplication, then sketch a picture. Okay, so 4 boxes of 3 treats each. Okay. If we're thinking of multiplication, okay, or we've got our 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've got my treats. Oh, this one tough. Those are not very good bones. Okay, we're just going to put some X's for my other treats. But I've got these 4 boxes, each one has 3 treats. If we write that as an expression, it'd be 4 times 3. And we can figure out how many treats there are in total. Okay, her other option is she could get 2 boxes with 6 treats in each. So I'm going to draw a picture. Here's my 2 boxes. Here are my 6 treats. Okay, if we were to write an expression, we could say 2 times 6. Okay, you could also say 6 plus 6 or 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, but we know that repeated addition is multiplication. So we're going to write it as multiplication. Okay, below it says, since multiplication is repeated addition, models can be used to represent integers as well. Model and solve the following multiplication problems. There we go. So 2 times 4. So if you want to make a picture, 2 groups, each group has 4 inside. What's your answer? How many X's do you have? 8. Well, what if I have 2 groups and I've got negative 4 in each group? Well, let's see. What if I put 4 negatives in each group? How many negatives do I have total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Negative 8. Alright, what if I have 2 groups with negative 5 in each group? 5 negatives. How many negatives total? 10 negatives. Negative 10. Okay? So if 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times a negative 4 is negative 8, then what do you think negative 2 times a negative 4 equals? These don't have any negatives. This is 1 negative, and this has 2 negatives. Remember, we talked about that 2 negatives cancel out and become a positive. So all you would get is 8. Okay, what patterns do you notice? Okay, 1 negative equals negative answer. No negatives equals positive answer. And 2 negatives equals positive answer. So, if you're behind, press pause or back up on the video so you can make sure you get these in your notes. Okay? And then continue. So, since division is splitting sets into groups, predict how this pattern will apply to division. So, think about what would that mean for you. Okay? Alright, so multiplying, or dividing. So we've got a model. So we've got 9 divided into 3 groups. Alright, so I've got 1, 2, 3 groups. I need to divide up 9, so I'm going to say here's 1, here's 1, here's 1. So I'll probably have 3 total. I need to get to 9. Here's another, here's another, here's another. I have 6. Here's another, here's another, here's another. Oh, now I have 9. So each group has 3 positives. What about negative 9 divided by 3? Well, I still have 3 groups. Separate my negatives, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. That's 3 negatives. 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. 6 negatives, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. 9 negatives. So my answer is in each group I have negative 3. What about negative 6 divided by 2? Well, here's my 2 groups. I'm trying to split it up into negative, negative. That's 2 negatives. 4 negatives. 6 negatives. So each group has a negative 3. Pause the video, catch up, or keep going. Alright, on the back, let's try with a number line. Alright, number line. So, let me focus that in here a little bit. 3 times 3, and it says always begin at 0. So I need 3 groups of 3. So 1, 2, 3. That's one group. I need 3 more positive. 1, 2, 3. 2 groups. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. Where do I end up? 9. And you know 3 times 3 is 9. Alright, what about 5 times a negative 1? Alright, so starting at 0, I need 5 groups of negative 1. So I'm going to go back. Here's one group. One more group. Another group. Another group. And my last group. Where do I end up? Negative 5. I need 2 groups of negative 3. Start at 0. Where's negative 3? To the left or to the right? To the left, to the left. Negative 3. One group. I need another group of that. 1, 2, 3. 2 groups. Where do I end up? Negative 6. Last group, 2 times 5. You can probably do it in your head. You should get 10. So I start here. I need 2 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 groups. End up at 10. Okay. Now, I want you to try the rest on your own. There will be an answer key for you to check your answers with. Okay. I'm going to skip down, though, to 20 and 21. Okay, but you should try 12 through 19 on your own. Ashley and her sister decided to split the cost of dinner for $14. How much does each sister pay? So Ashley is one person. Her sister is 2 person. I'm trying to split that bill amongst 2 people. So 14 divided by 2 equals. Figure that out. 21. Alejandro sketched the model below. What expression did Alejandro model? Okay. Well, my answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 negative. I'm trying to find an expression that equals negative 8. Is 4 times a negative 4 negative 8? Nope, that'd be a negative 16. Negative 8 divided by negative 4? Well, 8 divided by 4 is 2. I've got 2 negatives, so it's just positive 2. Nope. 2 times a negative 4? 2 groups of negative 4? 1 group. 2 groups. Answer is C. Alright. Once you're done, let the sub know so that they can pass out to you your practice sheet for today. Okay? Make sure you check the answers for 12 to 19 with the answer key with the sub. Alright, have a great day. Bye!